Okay, this is video tutorial number 7. Now we are going to explain exercise number 11, chapter 11, page 306. Pan American Traveler, an on-way based 100% privately owned travel company, has signed an agreement to acquire a 50% ownership share of Taipei Travel, a Taiwan-based privately owned travel agency specializing in servicing inbound customers from the United States and Canada. The acquisition price is 7 million Taiwan dollars. So the acquisition price is Taiwan dollars 7 million. Payable in cash in 3 months. Susan Takagan, an American owner, believes that the Taiwan dollar will either remain stable or decline a little over the next 3 months. At the present spot rate, which is Taiwan dollars 35 for each USA dollar, the amount of cash required is only 200,000. But even this relatively modest amount will need to be borrowed personally by Susan Takagan. Taiwanese interest-bearing deposits by non-residential are regulated by the government and are currently set at 1.5% per year. She has a credit line with Bank of Hawaii for 200,000 USA dollar, with a current borrowing interest rate equal to 8% per year. She does not believe that she can calculate credible weighted average cost of capital, since she has no stock outstanding, and her competitors are also all privately owned without disclosure of their financial results. Since the acquisition would use up all her available credit, she wonders if she should hedge this transaction exposure. She has the quotes from Bank of Hawaii shown in the following table. So we have the spot rate, which is equals to 33.4 Taiwan dollars for each USA dollars. Then we have 3-month forward rate, which is equal to 32.4 Taiwan dollars for each USA dollars. Then just using this data, we can analyze the cost of each possible alternative. So the first option is to use the spot rate, but is risky because the spot exchange rate can change over a period of 3 months, because they have to pay in 3 months. So in this case, we have to, in order to compute, we have to divide the total cost, which is equal to Taiwan dollars 7 million, divided through the spot rate, which is 33.4 Taiwan dollar for each USA dollar, and you get the final cost in dollars, which is 209,580.8 dollar, but is uncertain because the spot rate in 3 months can change. It depends on the hypothesis on the spot rate. The alternative is to use the forward, the 3-month forward rate, so to fix the exchange rate in some sense. We have Taiwan dollar 7 million over the forward exchange rate, which is Taiwan dollar 32.4 for each USA dollar, and we get the final amount, which is 216,049.4 USA dollars. So in this case we can use this forward rate agreement, this forward exchange rate. But this is not the only possibility, because we can use the so-called money market age. We can delete this money market age. In this case, what we have to consider? We have to consider the deposit rate in Taiwan dollars, which is 1.5% for each year, and because we haven't the cost of capital, we can use the 3-month dollar borrowing rate, which is 6.5% for each year. So in order to have Taiwan dollar 7 million in 3 months, using the deposit rate, we have to compute the current value of this amount using the deposit rate, which is 1 plus 0.015, which is 1.5%, for 3 months. 3 divided by 12, and we get Taiwan dollars 7,973,848. Now we need to convert this amount in USA dollars at the current spot rate, so we have to divide Taiwan dollars 7,973,848 divided by the spot rate, which is Taiwan dollar 33.4 for each USA dollar, and we get the amount to finance, to invest, which is 288,797.8 dollars. But it's not enough, because if we have to use this amount, we have to finance, or we can't invest in other activity. So we have to use the 3-month dollar borrowing rate for 3 months. So we have to multiply 288,797.8 USA dollar for 1 plus the dollar borrowing rate, which is 0.08 for 3 months. So for 3 multiplied by 3 over 12, and we get the final results is dollar to 12,973.8. This amount seems to be smaller than the amount you have to pay using the forward rate, so it seems to be more convenient.